Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis. Guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW Traders. And our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. For all trade, we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW traders. The title of this video is Live Day Trading in London. And let's get started. Alright. So what I'm doing here is what I like to call a risky trade. It's a bit risky trade. Repeat, a bit risky trade. Because I've sold the euro on the edge right here without waiting for the price, all right, at least to go below the common sense trend line. So I know what I'm doing, but I want to take that risk, okay? So I sold it at 135.75, okay, on the edge of, I'll color this one into red. On the edge of this trend line, which I'm going to color now into red, you'll see now. Pay attention carefully. I say also that this is a risky trade because normally I should wait for the price to come to close at least. Okay, I'm now on a 3-minute chart. This is I'm using a 3-minute chart as my entry time frame in this scenario. All right, so sold it at 135.75. My stop loss is 25 pips above. All right, 25 pips above. All right, bringing me my stop loss right here at 136.00. All right, so as you can see now, the price is at 135.76 above my entry point. But as I explained to you, I'm not prepared to come out of this trade. I'm staying put. Why? Very good question, isn't it? Why? Okay, so I'm using two, okay, trading methods. Trading on the edge, all right, and a convergent point. So the price is at the convergent point, and also the price is on the edge. So if you want to know about trading on the edge and a convergent signal, you need to go to www.stochastic-macd.com. So two things I'm using here: trading on the edge and a convergent point. I also explained to you that this trade is a bit risky, but I'm willing to take this trade, all right. And we'll see what's going to happen. All right, so I'm going to go now to the 4-hour chart. As I explained to traders, do not make a trading decision on one time frame alone. On the 4-hour chart, you can see this is my red line that I drawn on my chart, this one here, and the price, you can see price display a high, a lower high. Now for the first time, after we have these 2 points, I need to draw a trend line. This point and this point. Now the price coming to retest that bearish trend line. All right. In normal condition, I should wait for a clear-cut signal, okay, before entering the trade. But as I explained to you, I decided to enter the trade now. A lot of traders do that all the time, and when you are doing it, okay, you have to understand what you are doing. You are responsible for it. And you are willing to do it, and you want to control it and be in charge of it, okay? Very important. All right, so you know what I'm talking about, trading on the edge. So the price is on the edge. I also explained to you that I'm also talking about, 1 second please, traders. I also tell you that the price at a convergent point, which I explained to traders yesterday in another video. Alright, so you see this, the price was at a cycle point right here. I will not dwell on this one. Start here, went down and return back to the starting point. So, and then it pulled back 50%, which is the green line here. Alright, so you may go to YouTube, www.youtube.com/JoTrio, to watch our recent videos, and you will know what I'm talking about. So right here is our target zone where the euro did stop recently at 136.47. okay, all right, so this zone here, that's what the euro did stop. Okay, that's it, that's a convergent point. convergence point using the cup and handle pattern, right, and the cycle point. The target point, the target zone is at 136, okay, 47, all right? So this is a convergence point. So now you see on the edge and also at the convergence point. The only problem with the trade that I'm taking now, going back again to the 3-minute chart, well, now you see, okay, price now going up, all right? So I can decide myself now, say, George, it's better to wait until at least the trend line is broken or follow the rules of the TSTW 24. But I don't want to do that now. Today is Friday. We also talk about three things: the mind game, the trading method, and the money management. 5% money management. If you are a new trader, there's something that usually takes place. The mindset of a new trader is completely different. Myself, I wonder how myself I get into that trouble in the past when I was a very new trader. You are enthusiastic, you want to try everything, you don't want to wait, all right? And you are all over the place because you believe that you can trade. But there's something happening in this market is that when you are trading, okay, you see now I place a trade, I'm competing with other traders, high frequency traders, crazy traders, momentum traders, all right, hedge funds, all right, all the smart day traders, I'm competing with them. Some may buy at this point, some may sell, some may step aside. So I'm not alone in the market. So I want to go into their mind again because I talk about the mind game, the trading method, and the money management. A valid trading method. A trading method does not need to be complicated, as some traders will always expect them. So that's why I won't go there now. So we want the trading method to be simple and our chart also to be clean. I can put indicators on these charts, all right? MACD, stochastic. Yes, we use stochastic 833. We use indicators, but the price, the number one indicator, that's why I did not put any indicator on my chart, but we do use indicators. All right, the indicator will give the warning and the price will give the direct signal. So I want to focus on the price itself. We on the edge, the price at a convergence point. Now I sold it, okay? Today is Friday, the mind game. So today is Friday. So why usually go to the mind of trader? They don't want to hang around too long. It's what traders are doing on Friday. So when they are making money, they are willing to secure their profit on Friday or to take their profit straight away, especially day traders on Friday, because they know Friday can be a very funny day to trade. So they are very careful. So as the market did open today, the price went up a bit, and there are some group of gamblers also coming to the market, the speculators. They want to try their chance, and if they are on the right side of the market, they make profit, they will try to take it, okay? They will try to take it. So that's why I did not want to wait for everything to align for me, and I also know that it's a bit of risk. But it's my own decision, all right? It's my own decision. And that's why I do not interfere with the trading style of each trader. Some traders take more risk than others, and depending on their personality. But you want to see which one is more rewarding, okay, and maybe improve your trading style or adjust a little bit, okay. So this is about the mind game. So what's going through the mind of some traders? So far, there's something very important I did not mention. The economy news at www.forecastfactory.com. What's happening with economy news too? Again, today, I'm not going to go and check my economy news, which is crazy, isn't it? Yeah, it's crazy. So now if I see a tall candle here, should I blame anybody? No, I won't blame anybody, all right? So try to show traders, okay, what they are going through every day, because I understand how traders trade, all right? So this is it. What I say to TST traders, okay, you purchase our trading system, you use it 1 or 2 days, maybe you see something that you didn't understand, even you see a contradiction about something that I've said, okay, mention it, okay? And that's all, working together. All right, so we are on the 3-minute chart. So it went up a bit. Now some people are selling again. We are still above my this trend line, which I draw. This is the red line here. I draw from the 4-hour chart. So this is what's going on. I want to check my time because if you are doing live trading, I've been speaking now 10 minutes. So I don't want the video to be longer than 20 minutes. So I'm going to start managing the length of the video. Going to put a vertical line there. I will color it in turquoise. And I will pause the video, okay, instead of talking for too long. All right. So this is the Euro USD on the 3-minute chart. Speaking to you now, 10 minutes so far. I sold it, right here at 135.75. A stop loss at 136.00. A bit risky trade. This video is about live trading, okay, in London. Pausing the video. The video is not finished yet. Just pausing it to avoid that the video is too long. You see the turquoise, that's why we have stopped. Everything will remain intact. And we'll come back to it. Okay, if we see some movement and I have something else to say, then I will say instead of just standing here, it may take an hour, 2 hours, and then we will see. All right? So we'll come back to that in the next section of this video. Pausing the video. Thank you. Okay, traders, the time in London now is 10 minutes past 12. On 11th of October 2013, 10 minutes past 12 in London, 10 minutes past 7 a.m. in New York. As you have seen, the price went a little bit above because our entry point was at 135.75. The price went above it up to 135.81. Not too bad, okay? That's 6 pips above our entry point, and then now it come back below it, okay? Why? Because some trader will take profit at this junction because it's a conversion point, right? And also we on the edge, so a lot of day traders will try to take some profit, and we are taking advantage of that right now. Okay, so far everything remains intact. Our stop loss is at 136.00. all right, so you see the vertical line was here where we paused the video, and you can see now that it went down and tried to go up a bit, but was stopped and pushed back below it. We will see how far we go. Another thing I will mention to trade in this video now, we go to the hourly chart. A few weeks ago, you can see my drawing, as you can see them here, okay, all right. There was this vertical move, okay, and we were telling trader that so the pattern that I always mention to traders, if you have been following us, you know this already. So I'm doing this for new traders. This pattern here, a distortion followed by a normal progression, okay, and we will highlight, okay, all right, the high, okay, the media line of the distorted candle, the body of the distorted candle. We will discount the tail and the wick, all right. And if the price remains above the high of the distorted candle, it's very, very bullish. But we'll monitor the progression of the price, okay? If this the high fell to support the price, the next level is the media line. If the media line fell, that will be a total cancellation. And for the euro, as you can see, the pattern is here. If I do it here, you can see it here on the hourly chart. We have said this weeks ago. And you see, this is the vertical, this is the distortion session. I draw it a bit too long, but if you focus on the body from somewhere here to here, are you following me? Okay. And then we have the usual normal progression that follow, you see. So up, distorted, and then normal progression. And you will see sometimes it will take some time. If it's a true distortion, the price will cancel it. But if the price is coming down, you watch first the high, and then you watch the media line. As you can see here, all right, the high is somewhere here, see? Are you following me? Or am I talking to myself? Okay, hold on, please. All right, so this is the distortion, okay? And then we have the normal progression. And as the price coming down, okay, we'll watch the high. The high is this line here. If you like, we can color it now. I'll color it in orange. Okay, so that's the high. You can see you want to be, you touch it here and then touch it again, went up. Okay, here again, you acknowledge it here, try to go up again on the high. So these are the level you want to watch. All right. After the high will fail to hold the price, the next level is the median line. All right, median line of the body of the distortion. You see, boom, 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 tack. All right, beautiful, isn't it? You want to understand this, all right, and take advantage of it each time. You don't want to force it, because if you know something already, this is the problem when you forecast something or you know that something is likely to take place. Very often traders end up losing, but you don't want to do that. You want to remain calm. You don't want to force it, and you want to select the best entry point, all right, and manage it. So, all right, and finally, boom, to the low. Now, this is this week. You can see this is Sunday. And then the price slowly, as I draw this line before, you see the trend line trading on the edge. Tack, tack. And I draw this one also. And then finally, touch it, boom, 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 down. Total, now we are total retracement. It cancels it completely. See it? Alright, cancel it completely. If I color this one also in orange, you see it cancels it completely. Total, cancel it. This distortion is now rectified. So yesterday night, market knew that there was a distortion that has been cancelled. The price was in a support level. They push it back again. Well, you see, on the edge of this trend line. I believe the euro should pull back more, and I'm taking advantage of it this morning on my favorite 3-minute time frame. This is what's going on now. So you see the whole picture now. All right. So we will see how far it goes. To avoid that the video is too long, I'll pause the video again. All right. By the way, do not use a YouTube video as a trading signal. Use it for educational purposes, but make decisions. Draw trend line, draw channel, trade on the edge. Okay, that's what we want traders to do. All right. There's no point to go around and mark our video down because you use video to make a trading decision. Okay, work on it. All right. Now it's 12 o'clock in London, all right? So on the 4-hour chart, a candle has closed. So London has opened at 8 a.m. London time. 4 hours later, a 4-hour candle is now closed, all right? Okay? All right, this is how you want to trade, okay? All right? Know when a candle has closed, okay? When a new one has started, and, all right, just take it step by step, all right? I'm going to pause the video again. Okay, pause the video again, and we will come back to it. But before that, I will move my vertical line to where we're going to stop now and see what's going to happen. So far, everything is working for us nicely. We'll see. Okay, so, and I will show you also the time now. It's 17 minutes past 12 in London, 17 minutes past 7 in New York. Pausing the video, okay, for the second time. We have been speaking now 18 minutes. I was saying to you that I don't want the video to go over 20 minutes. So we got 1 minute and something left. We'll come back to that and look at it. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, as you can see, it has been a nice trade. You can see going down. We entered the trade at 135.75. The price now at 135, okay, 53. That's 22 pips so far. This trade now can go more down, but it's Friday, so all right, 22 pips is not too bad for day trading. So all right, so it's not too bad. So I don't want the video to be too long, as I explained to you. I don't want to go over my 20 minutes time, and I hope you have learned something for this video and we put into use, okay, to make excellent decisions. As you can see, for day trading, when we are doing live trading, it takes a bit longer because the price will do what the price will do. As you can see, it has taken more time than we expected, but slowly but gradually, the price pulling it down. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. We entered the trade at 135.75. Okay, it's going down nicely now. Okay, thank you.